Hi, my name is Ed Friday, and what I like to do is show you how you can use video emails to stay in touch with your customers and clients. And this is especially useful now in that we're living in a time where our travel is somewhat restricted, and video is a great way to stay in touch. We're going to be using a program called Free Video Email by CloudHQ, and it's designed to work with Google email. So if you see where I am, I'm in the Chrome Web Store, and if I type in free video email and search for that, it's actually the first one that pops up. Free video email by CloudHQ. And CloudHQ has a number of products that make using Google products more efficient. And this is a free one that they have. And you would add it to your extensions. And if you look at the top, I've already added, it has like a little camera up top so that you can see it's installed. So if I go to my Google Mail and I compose a letter, you'll see on the bottom a symbol that says record and send video emails. And once we click that, it should open up a window, which it does. We can title the video, and once we click record, it will start recording, and we have the option of saving the recording or embedding the video into email, which we'll do. So let's take a look. Now I just turned on my video recorder, and it's recording a video which I can store or I can immediately embed into my email. And just to show you some of the effects that the CloudHQ has, you can flip horizontally. Let's see, you can put a ticker with your message. Let's see, my message. This is a cool tool. Okay. So you can put in various text in the bottom of your message, like a ticker tape. You can change it to a very vintage look. Let me just let's see what's another effect you can get. Sepia. Okay. And black and white image. Now, why you would use toaster, not sure. You can get a little greenish tint, which doesn't make me look that good. I think the reddish tint probably makes me look a little better. You can zoom in and out. Okay, actually that looks pretty good. And I can vintage TV. Hi, this is Mr. Ed. And mirror. Okay, whoops. Well, look at that. Mirror. Optical illusion here. Okay, so these are just some of the effects that you can get through CloudHQ. And then once you have your message completed, you can click embed. So you can see how the video has been embedded into the email. So this is a regular email that I'm going to send someone. So in addition to the information I typed, they have a video of me explaining whatever the situation is that we're talking about. And you can see how effective it is. So not only can they hear you, but they can see your facial expression also. So if you like this type of content or you'd like to learn more, please email me back or message me back, and I'll be more than happy to share other tips how you can get your message across using video.